Hi students, welcome to Gradeup online classes. Hope you are doing good and enjoying the sessions also. In your previous session, I teach you in the singly reinforced section different analysis. I teach you using limit state method as per IS 456. And in this session, I just want to show you one thing which we feel great. As the things that I already taught in previous booster series or previous startup series before GATE 2020, some of the questions, like nearly 9 questions from structural part, what I teach in free series has came directly, the models, I mean same models directly came in GATE 2020. So that's the reason why I just want to make you sure to give assurance to the guys who are just joining in Vision 2021 course also. Even in free series, within very less number of time, whatever the things that we taught, that has already came in GATE 2020 with the same type of models. To show that with the help of a proof, we are taking this session and we want to discuss what is the type of questions that may ask from the same type in future also. So this is the actual agenda behind this session. Okay, so you can see the session is called Questions Decoded from Structural Part, as taught by me. So what are the things that came in GATE 2020? And coming to the solutions of GATE 2020, we had already done that one. Most of the students had already know. Then why this session is, why the same type of problem can be asked in future. So the extension, the projection, how the same question can be projected in future GATE. That's the thing you can learn here. So before I start this session, I just want to introduce myself first. I am Tilak Sir, completed my master's degree from University of Sheffield in structural engineering background. I had already done my research in structural engineering area only, and I am about to complete my doctoral degree. That is, my PhD degree is also about to get completed. I already worked as a research scientist. In addition to this one, I already worked as head of the department in an engineering college also. This is my brief background. Even till today, I am giving my own structural designs to some of the consultants. I mean, I had my own independent design consultancy as well. Okay. Now, before I start the session, let me just start the session. Okay. Yes. So the session is, what are the questions that had came in previous GATE 2020 from booster series or startup series before the exam of GATE 2020. So coming to the sessions, the first question is this thing that has actually appeared in GATE 2020. I hope you can see this question, right? And this is the proof where I taught you that. Right, this is the thing that I teach you in plastic analysis part 1. So you can see the ratio of plastic moment capacity of a beam section to yield moment capacity of a section. This we had already teach you, and it is already shape factor, another name for this one. Sometimes maybe in your future they will remove this term shape factor, they will make the same thing, they will write the term called form factor. Then also, this is the projection that you can think in future gates for 1 mark questions. So this is the proof for that one. I already mentioned shape factor. Okay, another name for here I already mentioned form factor also. So like that we had already taught that. Okay, so this is the way of projection that may come in future gate. Okay. So coming to the second question, this is the second question where you can see this is also from structural, steel structures only, actually especially from weld. Even by the time I am teaching in the booster series or startup series, whatever may be the areas where you can definitely identify some questions in those areas, like even this plastic analysis. I already told, from plastic analysis definitely one question will definitely come. It has appeared, right? It has appeared, right? Yes, right. Prakash 1995, structural engineering part, ultimate sir. You no doubt about that. Yes, thank you very much. This question will definitely come. As I already mentioned, it has came because some of experience only we are saying from what area definitely some question will come. So it means if you take 100 marks, out of that one we can say like some 40% of the areas of the entire subjects we can say definitely one question, definitely questions will come. Remaining 50 to 60 that marks area we can't predict, no doubt. There can be any corner that can be asked, but definitely some 40% we can easily predict. We can mention like damn sure this is the area where you can have definitely get a question, right? So in that way the booster series happened, in that way the startup series is also happening. Now the second question, as I already mentioned, in steel structures definitely a question will come, right? Yes, you can see that I mean for that one if you want a proof you can say simple welded connection part 1. This we had already taught that. So this is the way, the same type of thing, but maybe numericals will definitely change. I definitely say, because I am not a guru, I am not a baba, I can't forecast, I can't see what is the future things, but I can say the model because of experience from which area, definitely, no doubt. So this is the proof for that one. In steel structures definitely you can see from plastic analysis and from connections, definitely from these two, definitely two questions will damn sure it will come. It has already came. Connections not only includes only just weld, of course it also includes bolts, rivets also. Of course this time it has came from weld. Okay, yes. Now third, this is actually from structural analysis. You can see this question, right? So they are expecting the force in member XW. This is the question in GATE 2020. They are expecting force in XW. This is the force expected in this member. So this type of question we had already worked out here, and I had given answer for these questions of course in the video session also. Nandu sir, can I crack GATE with rank with and ESE 2021 with vision 2021? Yes, no doubt dear Nandu. Without coaching, you already told me personally or in the chat you are able to get 46 marks or something. After this GATE 2021 and vision 2021 course, definitely I am sure definitely your rank will be in two digits. I am pretty sure Nandu your rank will be within 2 digits, maybe below 100 you can definitely expect. Definitely Nandu, you can definitely expect, right? So this type of problem I already teach you. This is the way how you need to cut the section, and you can take the free body diagram of the upper part and you can work out this, right? This also I already teach you, but there is a thing called, so I already told you by the time of analysis, tension forces in trusses are taken as positive, whereas compression forces are taken as negative. So they had used the same convention and they had given the answer. You will get this maybe a compression force definitely. So that's the reason why you need to mention this answer in negative values. Okay, so like that you can predict maybe a different truss will come into picture, but the concept will be one and same, because they are asking a force in a particular single member. In that case method of sections are far preferable. So I had dealt the same thing with the help of method of sections only, so which is very easy. If you do the same thing with method of joints, it is a more difficult part. And one more thing I already mentioned, if you know or already don't know, the minimum average mark from structural analysis is 8 marks. So I dealt here the structural analysis module. So this also I had taken this type of thing in booster series. Coming to the fourth one, as I already mentioned in structural analysis, definitely a 2-mark question or a single, definitely a question will definitely come from displacements of structures, maybe a framed structure or maybe a beam, maybe a truss structure also. Some deformation of a structure will definitely come. So this is the thing that you can see. They are expecting deformation, or deformation may not be the thing like always horizontal deformation, vertical deformation. Sometimes rotation is also one form of deformation. Such type of question you can directly expect. Rishabh Pandey, sir, I am second year student. My basics are very bad. Okay, no problem. Every people from second year, even sometimes after final year also, in some of the colleges, even some of the students basics are very bad. I accept, no doubt. Sir, can I join the course for strengthening basics? Of course, if you join here, not only you can strengthen your basics, you can definitely get, if you are दिल से, आप दिल से बोलेगा तो दिल से, if you are very much dedicated and if you follow our lectures and if you do more number of problems on your own and if you come back to those problems to us, if you have some discussion through the doubt session, definitely I am sure maybe if you can even about to get within 2 digits rank, like from 10th rank to 1 from 1 to 10 ranks, then that is also possible, definitely, because we had ample time. But the thing is only determination. यहाँ से determination होना चाहिए. Yes. People says like Prakash sir, this is from SOM sir. I can say if you are taking this from SOM generally you can take for beams. I accept. For structural analysis part, dear Prakash, whatever may be the frame is there, we'll treat that displacement is there in structural analysis. Of course, the methods of applications may be different in SOM and in structural analysis. The value will be one and same. The same thing, I mean, a portal frame, because this is also a one type of frame you can think. Right, the frames and even also beams also I taught you with the help of unit load method. So with the help of this unit load method you can crack this problem na. So beams is the thing that you can account for strength of materials. Whenever there is a frame, you can give the credit to structural analysis. Okay, right. So coming to the next question, this is the next question. Coming to the next question, I hope you can see this type of question that you just listen to this type of question, not theory you had listened to work out this type of question. Can you work out for me? I hope some of you guys had already listened to this lecture 1 hour before, just 1 hour before you listen to this lecture. Can you work out this answer for me? Yes, Nagashri Yadav. Sir, hi sir, I am Nagashri Yadav. Okay, I am some second semester civil student. I have dream to get well rank in GATE examination. No problem. It's everybody will have a better dream. No, very good dream. Okay, I am feeling dull. In which subject you are feeling dull? I am not able to get. But of course. The thing is, motivation is required. Follow our lectures. After you follow, most of the people will say like, sir, you are saying what are the things that you are taught, the same thing will come. Okay, but how much extent, man? You are talking about like 200 rank. Out of that one, 40%, 50%, same model will come. Okay, what about the remaining 50%? If you want to get a good rank, you need to develop more number of problems on your own. Of course, we will not leave the subject. The subject will be one and same. But how many problems that you are working on your own, that will make the difference with the topper. That will make the difference with the topper. No doubt about that one. So of course these lectures are very helpful, and in addition to that one, you need to also work better. Of course, we are here to help you. Definitely, whatever may be the thing in which problem you are getting stuck, by that time we are there to help you with the help of our Gradeup app. In that Gradeup app, you just type your query or the which problem at what area you are getting stuck up. It will be resolved in 24 hours. Right, that is a good thing. That means backend support is also there with you, right? There is no problem at all. Every faculty is dedicated here to resolve your doubts. Even if we are not, there are other subject matter experts are there to review, to clear your doubt. There are so many resources are there here. You just type your problem in the doubt session, you will get cracked. If it is a paid thing, a particular thing called your doubts will be resolved in 24 hours if it is a paid course. It was already there. Yes, I passed out. I mean, so many people are writing something. Let me just go through one by one. Okay, so okay, yes. Sir, you Rishabh Pandey, sir, you had not delivered any previous lecture on cables and arches. I accept. Rishabh Pandey, because of time constraint, the thing that was allotted to me is very less. At max 18 hours in structural analysis. Yes, of course. So at max in 18 hours, whatever the maximum possible things that may come, that I already covered. I didn't cover cables and arches. But if you go to doubt session, I am saying doubt session. One of your student, one of the guy here called I think his name is Nandu asked a doubt actually from arches and cables, sir, give me a just how to work out. See, in 18 hours we had done very good thing. If it is a lecture of for 50 hours, we can complete everything, so that you are able to work out everything on your own. But don't assume like same type of question may come or may not come, but you will be very confident with the basic that we are given, provided after you listen to lecture, you apply the concept to the other problems that you get from any other textbook and come back to us, then definitely you are bound to get even first rank also. It's a challenge. But how much dedication you will apply that concept to new problems, how many number of new problems, that only matters. That only will matter, definitely. Right? Yes. Prakash says, sir, it is 0.443D. I had given, dear all students, I had already given solution for this in the video of GATE 2020 series. Go back to that lecture and play that one. You can have the detailed description how I had already got. This is the thing that you can expect such type of question, that just before 1 hour we had already done that one. Okay, right? Naga Shri Yadav, thank you, sir, your words are motivated a lot. Yes, of course. The only difference between the toppers and just cleared students is because the just cleared students that didn't work more number of problems on their own. They didn't apply the concept that they learned. If you are able to apply the concept that you learned quickly to more number of problems on your own, then definitely the level of confidence in you will be very high. When the level of confidence is very high, you can crack any problem like this. It's about the confidence. How you will get the confidence? Whenever you practice more. Practice in the sense not a blind practice. The thing is, whatever the thing that you had learned in a strategic way, maybe a shortcut way, how you are able to apply those shortcuts within a limited period of time to crack more number of complex problems. That's where the difference between the toppers and maybe the just past students, right? Rishabh Pandey, sir, if I join 2021 series, can I watch series also? Yes, if you join 2021 series, which series you want to join? If you join Vision 2021 series, which is a paid course, then you can watch all the videos. Of course, we are also started a startup series, which is the basic thing for those guys to help some of the poor students only with some basics. Let us suppose people will think like, sir, you had already started a free session for the entire year, at max only 1 hour. In that 1 hour, at max, if you take out of 356 days, some holidays will go and all these things. So at max the available is 250 hours. Out of 250 hours in every day, as we are teaching from the basic level, will us be able to teach the zenith also, the peak also? It is not possible. Practically it is not possible, because the rule is I can take only 1 hour of free session. It is not possible. So that's the reason why those guys, if you want to aim for the top notch, then definitely I can suggest you is this paid series is the best way. Of course, in free series we will just clarify the doubts. May not be all the problems we may not discuss because of time constraint, but we will only discuss the concept, right? Yes, this is how it happens, right? I will say everything in practical thing, definitely. Yes, batch 2 you can access all the videos of batch 2 from starting to end. You are able to access for batch 2 for 1 year. Okay, for 1 year. Rishabh Pandey. Okay, I hope I answered your query. Yes, right? Prakash are not visible. Of course, I hope it is visible right now, Prakash. Maybe my size is big, so because of which I'm just talking before this. Okay, so this is not a session. I hope you had already this query with you and hope you had already worked out. Right. And coming to the next question, this is the question that you can expect from structural analysis. They are expected number of zero force members. So this also we had done here. Maybe the figure was not drawn here. The figure I didn't show here because if I keep our screenshot, another figure here, the size is not here, not possible. So that is the reason why we didn't keep the figure here. Okay, so please, okay. So we had already worked out the number of zero forces, force members in the truss already in our startup series and even in our booster series. Nandu, sir, for ESE conventional classes, it will later on or along itself. ESE conventional classes will also going to happen. Okay, ESE conventional classes will also going to happen. Just first of all, our concentration is on GATE and ESE parallelly. It is going to happen parallelly, and even after the entire completion of this GATE for 2021 is over, you will be even getting more number of problems to be worked out only as per conventional basis. Okay, for 2021 conventional paper of ESE, this is the answer for Nandu. Okay. Prakash 1995, sir, please provide some free classes regularly like Unacademy. Dear Prakash, every day I hope you can see, every day we are giving a free class. You keep your heart here and you tell me every day one free class is there except weekends, right? Except weekends we are giving every day, and we are giving even support to you. I mean, if I teach free class even on Saturdays and Sundays, of course you can think like even we had family, we need to have spend some time with our family. So hope you can understand, except weekends we are giving free classes every day. That even Prakash know, right? Yes. So this type of problem also we covered. Now this is the problem I already mentioned in influence line diagrams. From influence line concept, definitely one question has came, right? Yes, this year I am telling, yes, of course this year we are promising every day one class will be there, except weekends I can't say that one. Weekends, except weekends, you will get some free class definitely. Rishabh Pandey, what is the difference between free and paid? In free classes it is only limited like 200 hours, that too only basics, maybe to the very extent of 45 minutes a day. But in case of paid course, you will be given more than 750 plus hours of classes. Detailed notes will be there for you. Okay, backup problem solving support will be there from us. More mock number of tests will be there. 24 hours assistance in solving the problems. All these things are there for you with more number of hours, even with shortcuts. The more number of shortcuts and cannot be done with the limited time for the basic things that was done in free sessions, because in free sessions we think as if the students are very in the low level and we teach from the basic, only the basic thing we are giving there. Yes, Gradeup is providing a lot of stuff. Yes, quality stuff. Yes, thank you Nandu. Yes, you already know that one. Yes, right. As I already mentioned, definitely from influence line diagram definitely a question will come, and it has appeared. This is the thing that I had worked out on influence line diagrams. Same type of question has came here, but of course instead of this one, some overhangs also came into picture, right? What is the fees for GATE lectures? I mean, I am not aware of any fee because I don't know anything about the fees, to be frank, Ankita Pandey, but our sales team will definitely follow you. Okay, no worries. Okay, Saurabh Kumar Jaswal, in CIL 2019 almost 25 technical in civil from score booster of Gradeup repeated. Okay, that's a good thing. In CIL 2019 almost 25 technicals in CIL from score booster of Gradeup repeated. Yes, of course. That's a good thing, na? Now another question. This is a question from concrete structures. You can see where the question is they are expecting design moment capacity, that is moment of resistance they are expecting, compression force into lever-arm, just compression force into lever-arm. This type of question you had already seen. Sir, 5 to 6 question comes exactly Gradeup questions in CIL. Yes, thank you, because we are here to boost you up. Whenever you feel, whenever you get good ranks, that is more pride to us, definitely. Yes, We are doing everything for better service, so that we will get good name. For that only we are doing. Why should we get pain? Yes, right. This is the testimonials. Everybody is saying. So many people here, like 4 to 5 students are even giving. If you want testimonials, there are more here. I mean, after this one, if you want testimonials, you can see a lot. So, and proof is already here. Okay, proof is already here in limit state of flexor with my name. It was already there. You can see at what date I had teach that one. Everything is there. So to make you confident that we had already teach that one and it had appeared, so that's the reason why it has to make you confident. So if you don't have confidence, how can you crack? So to boost up your confidence, we are doing this session. No, bhai. What we are already here with you. We had within a limited span of time, within the free series, we had done this much. Within this paid course, there is a lot of time. We can excel like anything. That's what is the main intention behind that. But for that one, I need cooperation from you also. You should also work. If only one thing happens, you won't get the result. Two-way. That means you after the lecture is over, whatever the thing that you learned, you need to apply the new problems. Then only the success will come. Next question. This is also from structural analysis. So a stepped beam was there. This one I discussed. The same cantilever beam, but there are no steps, but there is a moment was applied. They expected deflection, right? So this problem also I had discussed. Whatever the things that I had discussed, okay, that I'm saying. Now Prakash will say like, sir, this is from strength of materials. Prakash, I teach even for beams in structural analysis how to work out deformations using unit load method, right? So any method you use, anyway I teach you that one now. So that's the reason why I show that. Okay, yes. So 9 questions I had shown you. Okay, so to make you that yes. So before I end up this session, Vision 2021 second batch has already started, and it's a paid course, and it is 600 plus hours of technical syllabus I am saying. And for ESE general paper we are giving 150 hours general science paper. Okay, totally together we are promising 750 plus hours. Let us suppose some of the students are not confident in some of the areas. In such case, we will even go for more number of lectures also, right? Yes. Prakash, I am just kidding, man. Just kidding here. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now, in addition to this one, the support with quizzes, conventional assignment, test papers, mock tests, of course, support to resolve your doubts. Everything was there. So if you are seriously interested to crack with a good rank, I'm saying cracking is okay. Mostly people can do with a lot of effort on their more. But if you want a good rank, just getting into PSUs or just getting into IIT, in such case, I can say like definitely in such case, some coaching is required. So in that case, this is the best way. Okay. Yes. Now people will ask us, sir, can we get scholarship? Yes, if you are falling under this category, if you are a GATE qualified student, let us suppose Prakash has got qualified in GATE 2020, he will be given with 50% scholarship. And for those guys who are basically from IITs, NITs and government college BTech students, they are directly eligible with 50% scholarship. And if you are a candidate with the ESE prelims has got qualified with you, in such case you will also be given 50% scholarship. Prelims, I hope you can understand. So if you have any queries, you just call over this number, or the best way I can always mention you is drop a mail over this email ID, drop a mail over this email ID. Just like some people had already mentioned, sir, what is the cost and all this stuff. So I don't know about all these things. So that's the reason why you just go through this. Okay. Yes. Rahul Chayal, sir, I am 2022 aspirant. Should I join the course? Yes, of course. You are welcome to join. In such case, you have even ample time. You can say in your undergraduation program to your teacher, this is how it will happen. This is how it will happen. This is the level of the question. You can teach to your teacher if you join now. Rahul Chayal. Okay. To your friends also. Like you can be mastered than your teacher. Definitely. I am more confident about that one. Yes. Thank you. Before I end up the session, I am saying one more thing here. Some people say like even after giving some offer also, is there any extra special offer? Special offer is there only for 3 days. So this is the extra offer only from 27th February to 29th February, only for 3 days. So If you want any more extra offer, extra 30% offer on all the courses like Vision 2021 course or even green cards or anything, you can just use this code called LEAP30, and you can even have more exciting gifts also. Okay, Ankit Pandey, I am very weak in the basics of SOM, can you please help me out? Ankita Pandey, no problem. Strength, after teaching strength of materials only, we will move to structural analysis. Okay, so you will have even strong basics in strength of materials. Definitely we are here to help you. Okay, Ankita Pandey, yes. Prakash says 80%. I didn't get what you are saying, Prakash. 80%. Okay. Okay, anyway, we are completed about this session. Prep smart, score better, go Gradeup. I thank, before I end up this session, I thank all of you for coming to the lecture, and I expect from you this one is, please share these videos to more number of your colleague friends or student friends, so that they will also know about the free series or the paid series, or they will also get informed. If they are not having money, at least they will come down to some free series, they will get some benefited, right? Definitely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please share more videos of this, and I am expecting more number of likes. Thumbs up, please. So if you give me more thumbs up, that may reach to more number, and more shares also, please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you. So the session is over, you can go.